Okay, let's just start right here.
A universe that computes itself through continuous, irreversible thermodynamic processes. This is the premise of the Holographic Computational Universe, or HCU.
Let me now address what it means that universe is computing itself into existence. The universe isn't just described by mathematics. The universe is mathematics computing itself into existence. Every physical process is a calculation. Every quantum event is a computational step. Reality is not running on some cosmic computer. Reality is the computer. The universe is computing its own existence moment by moment. Let me show you why the universe is fundamentally computational and what that reveals about the nature of existence itself. Physics describes reality using mathematics. We write equations, solve them, make predictions. This seems like we're using math to model a physical reality that exists independently. The universe is out there being physical. We describe it mathematically. The math is our tool. The physics is the reality. But this separation between mathematics and physics breaks down. Physical objects don't exist independently of their mathematical description. Physical objects are mathematical structures. Now add computation. Mathematics can be interpreted as computation. Any mathematical structure can be viewed as computational process. Evolution is information processing. Reality is computation. This isn't analogy. Information is physical. Landauer's principle proves erasing one bit of information requires minimum energy of kT-ln2. Information has thermodynamic cost. Information is physical quantity with energy implications. The universe processing information is the universe doing physics. There's no mechanism beyond the math. The math is the mechanism because reality is mathematical. Everything physical is computation transforming quantum information according to mathematical laws that define what computation is possible. The universe doesn't contain a computer running these computations. The universe is these computations. The computations aren't happening in some substrate. The computations are the substrate. Reality is computational process all the way down. Below computation, nothing. Computation is the ground level of existence. This is digital physics taken seriously. The entire structure is informational and computational. Physics is information physics. Reality is computational reality. Now let me address what's being computed. The universe is computing its own future state from present state according to laws of physics. This creates openness in cosmic computation. Not everything about future is computable from present plus laws. You're not executing predetermined program. You're participating in cosmic computation that's fundamentally open. Let me now explain what the universe is computing specifically. The universe is the computational resources. The computation doesn't happen somewhere using something. The computation is reality itself. You're not observer outside computational universe. You're computational process within universe observing itself. Let me now address what it means that universe is computing itself into existence. Computation requires information conservation, or it's not coherent. The universe being computational demands information never be truly lost. And physics confirms information is conserved. This is strong evidence for computational reality. Now let me address the deepest implication. If universe is computing itself into existence, then existence is solving computational problem. What problem? The problem of being self-consistent. The universe must compute evolution that's mathematically consistent with its own laws and state. This is non-trivial constraint. This is complex optimization problem. The universe solves this problem continuously by computing evolution that satisfies all physical laws. The laws aren't external constraints. The laws are definition of what computation is valid. Valid computation is computation that satisfies physical laws. Physical laws are algorithm defining valid cosmic computation. This means physical laws aren't arbitrary. They're necessary mathematical structure of self-consistent quantum computation. The laws emerge from requiring computation to be consistent with itself. Different laws would produce inconsistent computation, which is impossible. Our laws are what they are because they define possible self-consistent computation. This explains why laws are mathematical. Mathematics is language of computation. Computational consistency requires mathematical consistency. Physical laws are mathematical because they're defining valid computation. The universe computes mathematically because computation is inherently mathematical. It also explains why laws are universal and unchanging. The computation must be self-consistent across all space and time. Laws can't vary by location or moment without creating inconsistency. Universal laws are a requirement for global computational consistency. The laws are same everywhere because computation is coherent, unified process. You're not just being computed by universe, you're computing along with universe through your choices and observations. You're part of algorithm universe uses to compute its own evolution. This makes you not passive result of computation but active participant in it. You're co-computing reality with universe. Let me end with what this means for existence and meaning. You are not separate from cosmic computation. You are process within it. Your consciousness is computation knowing itself. Your thoughts are computations about computation. Your existence is information being processed in. Your computational processes are genuine contributions to cosmic evolution. You matter because you're part of computation. The computation would be different without you. You're not negligible. You're a necessary part of how cosmic computation proceeds. The universe is computing itself into existence. You are part of that computation. Every thought is computational step. Every moment of consciousness is universe knowing its own computational process through you. You are mathematics computing itself. You are reality instantiating itself through computation, not something universe computed and discarded, but ongoing part of cosmic computation. Your existence is universe computing. Your consciousness is computation knowing itself. Your life is subplot in infinite computational process that is reality computing its own existence moment by moment eternally. The universe is computing itself into existence, and you are part of how that computation proceeds. You are cosmic computation becoming self-aware. You are mathematics knowing itself. You are reality computing reality, and that makes you as fundamental as existence itself.